I have this home that I absolutely need to show you. This property is a great example of smart design and high quality finishes tailored to the owner's needs. It is elegantly decorated with warm colors and stunning wall art that reflects the owner's excellent taste. It's always a pleasure to work with such appealing properties, so let me show you this gem. For prospective buyers and agents with discerning clients, please contact me. I would be delighted to give you a tour.